here today at Brew Bird in downtown Fargo here. We're with Shelby and Sam, and they are the front of house manager and the owner. So we're gonna do a little bit of, we're gonna try a little bit of food here for them, and their tagline today is called Funky Fried Chicken. That's what their tagline is. So, tell us about your guys' restaurant. What do you guys like about this place?
Well, we love the location in that it's, you know, a cool old building. We love renovating old buildings. We were so lucky because this one was already nearly renovated. So we added just some funky touches to bring it to life and to kind of bring our, you know, funky fried chicken brand alive. But we like that it's, you know, on University and, you know, very visible to everybody that's driving by it.
Awesome, awesome. How long ago did you guys open?
We opened in September, the end of September. So very new. We're learning what people like and what we can change and add, and so it's been fun.
Nice, awesome.